Happy birthday. Happy 80th birthday, Dad. May you have many, many more. I miss you, Raja Beta. The words what you use. May you have many, many more. We all miss you, Dad. My darling. We miss you so much. Your words, Dad.
Hi, Dad. Wishing you a happy 80th birthday. Hope you are enjoying it. Though we are not together this time, hope we will do it next time. We wanted to celebrate your birthday in a big bash, but unfortunately could not do it. And this will be one of my regrets of this life. Life has always been a compromise between feelings and reality. This is the real life now, where we compromise. In the books of life, the only returns are be nice, spread love, and smile a lot. This you have been doing throughout your life. Be happy, stay happy, and again, a happy birthday with lots of love. You have been the person who has shown me the class, the style, and whatnot. Thank you for that, and I salute you for that. Happy birthday.
Dearest brother, wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you. You have always been the most joyful, cheerful, and positive member in our family. Whatever the situation, you are always in a happy state of mind, which is truly inspiring. Being the oldest among all of us, we have and respect you and look up to you for all the positivity. You have always kept us sisters well pampered with your large heart and open arms. Thank you for all your love. Every member in our family loves your positive outlook in life. Keep it up, Mohan. Always stay happy, joyful and kind. Please take good care of your health and continue to stay funny, handsome and stylish like Dharmendra. we love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi Madan, many happy returns of the day. First of all, let me sing a song for my lovely and my dear brother. You are my favorite brother. We love you a lot. You have taken care of us a lot, not only us, but our parents and our grandchildren also. They all are fond of you, my daughters. Everybody is so fond of you. You are such a smart, you are such cute, my brother. I like to sing a song for you. फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरे भैया है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है, फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है. Mohan, God bless you. You are a blessed soul. You are a great gift in the King of Biradri and the King of family. We all love you so much, Madan. I can't express my love to you. Yes, darling. God bless you with lot of happiness, good health and wealth. I want to see you always smiling. I remember those days when we used to come and spend our days for a month in Bangalore. You used to keep us all busy. After the dinner, you used to take us to the Lakeview ice cream and make us eat Calcutta Magai Pan in Ashoka Hotel. I'll never forget. Our children are still saying, Mama used to take us and take care of us so well. God bless you, darling. God bless you. I bless you with my heart. Thank you.
ਸਾਡੀ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਦੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡੇ, ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਸਮਾਰਟ, ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਜਵਾਨ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਜਨਮ ਦਿਨ ਦੀਆਂ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਜੀ। ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਟੂ ਯੂ, ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਟੂ ਯੂ, ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਡੀਅਰ ਕਿੰਗਰ ਜੀ, ਹੈਪੀ ਬਰਥਡੇ ਟੂ ਯੂ। ਚੀਅਰਸ।
Wish you a very happy birthday, dear brother, and many, many more to come with great health and great happiness for you. We all are so happy to wish you for your birthday, and may God bless you for everything you want. And you have always been a part of our lives, who looked after us from young age, and I will never forget when we all used to go to Vidansauda together with so many people in one car and laughed so much and heard your music, and we really, really had a great time, and you took us for kulfi after that. Even my children will never, never forget you.
A very, very happy birthday to you, Pa. As I know, you are the true servant Kumar for your parents. You do everything for them at any given time. I think you were the loving and happy go lucky person. And wishing a very, very lifetime of happiness. A very, very happy birthday to you.
Shaman, wish you happy 80th birthday. God bless you, Raja. You are very young at heart, good person, caring for everybody, always smiling. Keep yourself smiling always. God bless you. And Radhe Shyam and Jai Ho.
Hi Madan, how are you? I'm sending the recording now. Please watch it, Raja. Tomorrow, 17th is your birthday. That's why I recorded now. I'm sending you. See and call me, okay? Call me, Madan. Call me. I love you.
Happy 80th
I bless you. No. I bless you, Raja. I sent you the video. Please watch. I love you. I bless you every day. I bless you.
Yeah. Anything else? Happy birthday, mother uncle. Have fun, enjoy, have a drink, and chill out with the family. Cheers. Bye.
Let's start with the tagline. Hello, darling. How are you, beta? Uncle, love this tagline of yours. Wish you a very great year ahead, Uncle. Happy 80th birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle. How are you? Take care of yourself. Enjoy your day. Have the best life of this year. Thank you, Uncle. Take care.
Hi Uncle, wishing you a stupendous happy birthday. You're an amazing person with a gift of gab. People actually get influenced by your communication skills. Wishing you a very happy, wonderful and amazing and quarantine birthday.
Happy birthday, Dadu. Dear Dadu, wishing you a very happy birthday. You are a sweet and very caring person. I love you. Have an awesome year ahead.
Hi Nana, wish you a very, very happy birthday. I still can't forget that it's your 80th birthday, and here we are, all of us wishing you. My Bangalore memories are very fond because of you. I still remember you taking us to Fun World and making us enjoy throughout the day, and doing cheers with you on Wednesday nights and Saturday nights when I was in Bangalore when I was working in Purvankara was amazing. And I wish you nothing but the best, and I wish you a very, very happy birthday. Cheers.
Hi Nanu, wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you have a great day and a wonderful year ahead.
Happy birthday, Nanu. We love you.
We miss you.
We'll party soon.
Cheers.
you.